Heaven must be a Kentucky kind of place. Those words were said by Daniel Boone, and I think I would have to agree. Imagine the sight. They had been trekking for weeks through the exhausting mountains and the rugged terrain, and they finally reach this summit and see the wonderful expanse of the rolling hills that is the region of the Bluegrass. Hi, I'm Russ Carson with Family Tree Nuts, and I'm at Pilot Knob in modern-day Powell County, Kentucky, at the spot they say that Daniel Boone first surveyed the Bluegrass. In 1769, Daniel Boone had made his very first of many trips into the backwoods country of Kentucky. Historian John Filson quoted these words of Daniel Boone himself. "It was on the 1st of May in the year 1769 that I resigned my domestic happiness for a time and left my family and preachable habitation on the Yadkin River in North Carolina to wander through the wilderness of America in quest of the country of Kentucky, in company with John Finley, John Stewart, Joseph Holden, James Monet, and William Cool. We proceeded successfully, and after a long, fatiguing journey through the mountainous wilderness in a westward direction, on the 7th day of June following, we found ourselves on the Red River, where John Finley had formerly been trading with the Indians, and from the top of an eminence saw with pleasure the beautiful level of Kentucky." What a sight that must have been. Notice Boone is quoted saying, where John Finley had formerly been trading with the Indians. This is another example of where white men had been entering into the region of Kentucky before white settlement. We think that Finley's trading post was at the Native American village of Eskipakathiki, which is on Lobagrug Creek, just down here. Boone camped the winter of 1769 along Lobagrug Creek, which he named after the book Gulliver's Travels. It is said that Daniel Boone always traveled with two books, the Holy Bible and Gulliver's Travels. You can come here today by hiking up an arduous hike. It takes 30 to 50 minutes to get up the hike here. Which is almost completely straight up. It's listed as strenuous on the hiking guides, and I think I would have to agree. But the view is well worth it. Ironically, today is October the 22nd, 2020, the birthday of Colonel Daniel Boone. You may have seen Daniel Boone's birthday as November the 2nd, but in 1752, the Julian calendar was replaced by the Gregorian calendar, and they eliminated 11 days, including October the 22nd. But Daniel always talked about his birthday being October the 22nd. Happy birthday, Colonel Daniel Boone. And here you can see what Daniel saw and be humbled by the views of the Bluegrass region of Kentucky. And remember, Family Tree Nuts, let our nuts find the nuts in your family tree. Like what you see? Make sure you follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the little bell so you get notifications as to when we post new videos. And you can find out more about us and contact us at familytreenuts.org.